Oh, girl, we have to evacuate the building. We have to evacuate. Look, all the people have to come out. They said evacuate the building in Golden Nugget. Let's see how many people actually come out. They said they have a fire emergency. It's a good thing we weren't in our bed sleeping. We wouldn't have heard it. And it's pouring rain. And these people are slow to get out. They said evacuate the building, and the people started moving real slow. They're like, this can't be for real. I don't know if you can see over there the lights flashing. Those are the emergency lights. We started seeing them when we were inside. We were sitting in the bar, just sitting there, just chilling in the bar area, just waiting. And all of a sudden I saw the lights started flashing, and I said, wait a minute. Alert, something's going on. And then they said, ladies and gentlemen, we have an announcement. We have a fire emergency. Please evacuate the building. But look at all these. Look, it's not even a lot of people that's out here.
They said to the nearest exit.
Yeah, but this is the nearest exit, and there are a lot of people. And they didn't come out. A lot of people are still sitting there. They're like, what? But I told my husband, come on, sweetie. I grabbed my husband and we went to the nearest exit as fast as we could. And I told him, keep on going to the furthest corner because I got to protect my husband.
Were you in the bonus?
Were you in the bonus?
They done that on purpose.
Well, we're out here waiting. There's my handsome husband. I'm glad we didn't have our money in the machine and saying, hey, wait, let me get my money.
Money.
Right?
You know, it didn't go up like in Silver Slipper, the lights.
Yeah, the lights are still flashing now. The lights, see over there at the pool area, over there, over the bubble gum area, the lights are still flashing. I'm praying everything is okay. I don't know. But I got my important piece right here. I said, come on, sweetie, let's go. Leave it there. Right, sweetie? Whatever was in there. Everything except my husband. Our luggage is in the room. We got our car keys, so we good. If we have to leave. Right? All right. They still coming out, or they going back in now?
All clear.
Oh, they're going back in. The lights stopped flashing.
All clear.
Okay, let's go back and see.
Some of them still lost their money.
Oh, no.
Somebody probably pulled the damn fire.
Yeah.
They probably did.
Somebody lost their money and pull it.
And so they pulled the fire alarm, huh?
Yeah.
But better safe than sorry, right?
I guarantee you that's what happened.
Yeah.
Wow.